Hi students, I just wanted to quickly show you how to upload a document for submission on Schoology. So what I have here is this is a class that I'm currently taking. So I am the student, which is what you all are. So I get to feel like you guys. And this is a situation where they gave me an assignment, and then I have to create it. So I am going to go ahead and click on, I'm in my assignment, okay? I clicked on the assignment, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Submit Assignment. Okay, once I click on that, I get this pop-up box. Okay, my first option that they have me in is upload. So for the situation where I'm asking you to upload the file of your MCAS practice results, this is where you want to be. Okay, so you would go ahead and choose the first option, which it says file when you hover over it with your mouse. And so you're going to go ahead and click on the file button. And then your file folder on your desktop will pop up. And that's what you will see. So all I have to do is go to where I saved my results. Remember, we said to save them in your OneDrive on your desktop. Okay, so they still should be there. And then all I have to do is click open. And then you know that it is all set once it is here and it says complete. Okay, you don't have to write anything or put a comment in. All you have to do is click submit. Once you submit it, you're all done. Okay, so the other option, just because I want to make sure you are aware of how to do this. Now, if you don't want it, you can just click get rid of it, okay, and remove it. The other option, which we've been using a bit more recently, is the create option. Okay, this is where you go ahead and type in your response. So you would click on create, which is the second tab, and this is where you can simply type in your response. Okay, now I usually will tell you that you can speak your response and share it that way. How do you do that? With this, right? If you go back to the upload, which is that first tab, you see how we have the microphone, right? So all I have to do is click on the microphone. And now I have the option of just the audio, or I can have audio and video. So where I will be able to hear you and see you, okay? So for me, I like to be able to see the person that I'm talking to. So I would click audio and video. And because I'm currently recording this video, it's saying that something else is going on. So it won't let me do it. But typically, it would go ahead and just open up and would say, okay, press record. All right. And then it will start recording. And all you have to do then is speak your answer. All right. Just like you would if you use the dictation option in Microsoft Word or in OneNote to complete your written assignments. When you do use the microphone option, though, I want to make sure that you are speaking clearly and that you speak at a pace that is slow enough that I can understand what you're saying. Okay, those are my only requests on that. If I cannot understand you, then it makes it difficult for me to appreciate what you have created. Okay, so if you have any questions on that, please go ahead and feel free to ask, and I will be happy to help you. All right, thank you.